Sale Internet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Sale Internet. Links to their services are available in the description below. Sale Internet is a growing regional ISP specializing in providing high-speed fixed wireless and fiber optic internet services to residential and business customers. They focus on delivering fast, reliable internet in suburban and rural areas that are typically underserved by larger providers. Sale Internet's fiber plans offer speeds ranging from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, which is ideal for households with heavy internet usage, remote workers, and businesses requiring stable and fast connections. One of their key strengths is the use of both fiber and wireless technology, which allows them to serve a wide variety of locations, including areas where traditional infrastructure is lacking. Sale Internet's pricing is transparent, with no data caps, no hidden fees, and flexible month-to-month contracts, making it a great option for customers looking for straightforward and affordable internet plans. Their customer service is another strong point, with many users reporting a responsive and helpful support team. However, the biggest limitation of Sale Internet is its availability. While they're expanding their coverage, they are still primarily focused on specific regions, so their service is not available everywhere. Additionally, while fiber connections offer excellent speeds and reliability, their fixed wireless service can be susceptible to performance issues due to weather or physical obstructions. Overall, Sale Internet is an excellent choice for those in their coverage area who are looking for reliable, high-speed internet with transparent pricing and responsive customer service. If you're considering Sale Internet, be sure to check their availability through the links in the description to see if they offer service in your region.